Hey yo guys, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Batsumtimandi umabuyu bambolunye uhlase bodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na Couple Switching Phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are definitely looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Futhi kwenza sure uthela itswayi phakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a purple king mtanami. Another day, another dollar, another banger. As you all know, I am not alone. I am with my son. Welcome, Dlamini. Sendere bobo. Si popo. Si. Oh guys, sicela usinike laba bafebayo. Sidilele nabo. Sithetele baba. Siqondisele ubufebe. Uthume mina la izweni ukuthi ngizobaqondisa. Ngathatha umntwana wami okuyena yedwa. Ngazolungisa naye. Ifikile ke inkosi yamba nendodana. Bafuna laba bafebayo. Qondisa King Ginger, qondisa. Qondisa Nkosi. Oh, abahlukane. Abahlukane. Take me to the fabbing couples. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings batsumtimandi umabuyu bambolunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na Couple Switching Phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Sibalinde kanje. Ukubona makuzoba nepera. Khona bazoshawa. Ezosho lo sisi ukuthi hayibo. Yayibona indoda isikora kanjani? Yabo yamchazela nje ukuthi hey, ngathi so asibajwe ingozi, asibayeke bathuki. Hayi bhuti ngeke azizile uzothatha asibambe inkunzi mfethu. Ngiyakubona usuthathe nefoni kamama usufihla amafoni sanibona. Ninjani? Cha asibambe inkunzi. Ubhuti wami loana indodana yami le welcome ubhuti wami lo ulokhuzana uphinda. Thina shothe sambe sizenzela ama interview. Sacela nje nani kuni interview bese siyandedela siyibambe inkunzi. Khuleka. Ngiyabona usubamba ifoni ngesandla uyibuyisa emuva uyifaka phambili ubambe.
Next ifona ngeke ibambe.
Oh bungathukanga.
Next.
Hayibo welcome. Awusondele nayi le ndoda ithi bingathukanga.
Ngathuswa yini ngihlala ngivaya la.
Oh. Hayi phela thina sijwayele ungabe bikho la so kumele uthuke ndoda. Muzofica nje ikweqe ngangathi
Kweke. Ngisesabani.
Yeah. Uma period bani kama?
Sakhepi.
Sakhepi.
Yeah.
Kuphi ekhaya kaka Sakhepi?
Sespread.
Spread.
Yeah, mara manje ngihlala la eJozi Res.
Oh, amakhaya akho kusespread. Kuphi nendawo Katlehong?
Yeah.
Big up to Katlehong, big up to K1, big up to Carl Torres. You know the story Bafethu. So big up which side of Katlehong?
Like Natal Spread.
Natal Spread. Big up to Natal Spread Bafethu. Ngasesibhedlela libizo la kalida. Sister wena ubani kama awusemhle ubani kama hayi ngaleyo ndlela bhuti wami. Yeah, ngigay. So yikho ngithi akasemhle.
Yakhuleka ngisabe.
Sure.
Kipileng.
Upuleng.
Yebo.
Umuhle Puleng uyamodela? Oh umodela.
Umodeli,
Hayi ingabe yami wakhetha la. Yeah, wakhetha la mfethu muhle usisi. Siyabonga ngithi awunankinga njengoba ngincome kahle kanjani. Ngikutsheleka ngithi ngathi
Phelele la.
ngathi
Phelela la.
ngingqothovu. Yebo. Ngingqothovu. So ngifisa ukwazi siswami ukareki ingoyiratanga abuthi Sakhepi.
Romantic. Mamaza ampha vibe yiwo yebo.
Ufa vibe le. So wahukuka sometimes.
Yeah.
Ukukathata. Ukukakudu. kakhulu ne
Cool.
yeah mfethu uphethe kahle
Hahol.
ahulu ne
Hahol.
wena my brother ungathini oyithandayo ngosisi yeah singapha
Type yakho like ukuthi ngithanda umuntu onjani yabo. And then you must think for the future ukuthi like what kind of a person you wanna be with. Abangelingane yabo kumele benochero omuhle like okwaziyo like oyiphethe kahle yabo oyiphethe kahle uzokwazi ukukhulisa ingane ngendlela
indlela right mfethu
yeah so she's that kind of a person.
mfethu sakephi mfethu mfethu yazi mancane amajita akwazi ukudescribe mfethu ukuthi yini abayithandayo ngomuntu wesifazane but today ngicabanga ukuthi he's the first one to answer it perfectly like this because thina ngicabanga ukuthi siyesicabange into ewalana ukuthi nje umuntu emeshayile wavuka nakusasa shaya
Izinto ziyenzeka like sometimes you date a person and then like you end up having a child
yeah
and then manje sogcina sofuna ungasabi nalowo muntu lo yabo
and ingane manje
like now you can't go back yabo and then so nengane nomuntu ongamthandi ongayisiyona lento oyifunayo yabo
enangapha
yeah so it's very important ukuthi uchoose kahle
power to that first no when uchoose kahle sister how do you feel ukuzwa ubhuti sakhe ekhuluma kamnandi kanje ngawe
Yeah, ngithabile because it's first time like imutlo hona mo. Asangijeze nina Southford
ngihlala ngisho
Yeah, bekisho gore na vele ilitsona.
I always tell you that you're my
So bona ke ba le that thing ya go
yes ne power to that so wena sister ke batla utsiba in a scale of 100 o ka re go motshepa jwang mo
100%.
motshepa 100%
100%.
wena o itshepa jwang hakai
As well, 100%.
100%
Yes.
o teng motho mongwe o ratanang le yena besides abuti
No, ke ena fe.
kena fela
Yeah.
o sure
100%.
e teng ntho o batlang go ikopela matshwarelo
Ho yena.
e diregetseng maybe le ratana and mara bo ilokisa mara sa tsebe and wa bona gore it's a need ya gore o ikopele matshwarelo so that le tla bana le bophelo bo monate
No, hi for now.
ha iyo for now
Sala le perfect actually. Yes,
Perfect.
happy.
happy
Yeah,
couple
happy please or now.
happy place
Yes.
okay my brother in a scale of 100 ungathi umtsemba ngane msisi
100 like we spend most of the time together like I can give 100
power to that mfethu hayi talisotsi madoda hayi yasilwela mfethu yasilwela
Yeah.
wena in a scale of 100
100 like she knows it like yeah
my brother ukhona umuntu ohlekisana naye ngaphandle lapha ka my sister
I akekho much
akekho ne
yeah
uyena kuphela
yena okay like ngabe ngithi ngifunani like cause she's everything you can see
sure
yeah.
awunjayami krogalami so mfethu konto ofisa ukuyixolisela mfethu mhlambe yeah
Okay maybe okay just one
one
okay yeah ngathi nje ngiyaxolisa ukumthanda kakhulu kwesinye isikhathi nje yabo ngivele yabo nami ngasakwazi ukuzicontrola like yabo yeah
yeah no power to that. That's fair
Yeah.
that's fair uthaskisi ne
Xolele.
ngicela all right njayami manga find out ukuthi my sister uyachita ungamxolela
yeah hey ngabanzima ukuthi ngimxolele yabo ngabanzima mhlambe ngingadependa like angisho ukuthi kungenzeka yabo mara ngadependa nokuthi ilevel yokucheata kwakhe ukuphi mhlambe uyayidlalela or is it something serious yabo yeah mara yeah makuthi like it's serious angabanzima ukuthi ngixolele
no power to that no that's fair siswami ungamxolela my brother if he can find her
No, no.
ona khona
Mm.
wa morata ne
Ke mrata.
kopa mo fe ha go mo blela gore mara
Ke mrata.
showcase my brother it's ngintetele ngoba nathi bafethu sisaphuthuma ngapha engwenya highway but before ritsamaya there's a thing that we do here it's called loyalty test is whereby we're switching phones for 60 seconds wena sisi ufe motho wa gago phone ya gago for 60 seconds so that you can check on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram if you do use those things angithi ntseni yathembana and niyathandana and unfitly next
yeah akuna stress ngefone akuna stress
and
Mara, like are you going like to go through my phone
no she's going to go through your phone
Hayi akuna-stress. Akuna-stress. Akuna-stress.
Letha.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ngathi sengikunikile my brother na indaba manje sister. Kanti unosankutlwi ngakibuwa all along kiri sija divone. Khawutla ka mo sister. My brother right. Indaba yashintsha nje imoto manje.
Next. Ngishap.
It's about that time. Couple switching phones mntana. Ngithome kaya mang. Ngale ngaba.
Ngaqala ngeyami.
Siqale ngeyakhe. Awuyivule. Ugrand baf. Kwangathi uphefumula ngokuhlukile manje.
Ngishap.
Okay. Is this the first time you try to phone me?
No, it's not my first time.
Oh. Oshabe WhatsApp ura.
Awusala icofe yami phone.
Now WhatsApp. All right. Mase ngithi type uzotype la. A go tlhagale bitso la gago mo mplela. A go tlhagale bitso la difebe tse dingwe mo mplela because difebe tseo ke tsone tla ba di motho wa gago.
Okay.
Okay. Jam. Ure tangitsi. Shala. Nazwa ngiyakuthemba mina ngabade. We are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to type the trenders. Type lapho uthi I love you. Njayam. Wena njengoba uyi-out nje eGrand kanje manje eK1 abakushela amanye amantombazane mhlambe nje yeah.
Ngisazi entertain lezi zinto because like mokuthi uhlala ulandela wonke umuntu othi uyakuthanda so angeke ubaqede labantu bagcwele yonke indawo.
Yeah, true. Uhlaka
Me.
Okay, delete lapha delete I love you. Type I miss you ufake ne heart red. Ngiyakuzwa mfethu. So naleyo game swayiyeka.
Sengayiyeka. It's pointless. It's pointless.
Did me.
Delete la 3 alphabets. Sex. Why kupa sex mo wena sometimes?
Yes, it does.
I want to kupa le kohumang.
No, not loot.
Agnalot.
Okay.
Okay. Delete lapho paluthi money. Sibona ukuthi uyipha bani. Uyipha imali?
Man, ufakela abashana ekhaya. Sure. Then naye kubhebe makayicela ke.
Okay.
Nothing. Okay. Delete. Fake emoji. Brinjal, pinches, and water. Ta. Mpopom. You know it, right?
Still, nothing.
Clean guy. Okay. Let's move down. Type out to come outside.
Nothing.
King, we do it.
I'm happy, like, yes.
Delete. Tinya hade right here. Check it siseke lapho.
I'm not loot.
Uyakhala Facebook?
Angikho that much ku-Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook sis, Facebook lapho. Yakuma Messenger. Usachaza.
Khona ipage lapho nje ngiphosta khona into ze-gym.
Yebo phela ngithi bakusendela lapho kulelo page le gym angithi yilo lesifuna ukulicheck. Ngena la asifuna ama comments sifuna ku inbox. Ngena la type la uthi I love you. Oh, uyabajimisa?
Ngiyazijimela nje mina. Ngiyajimisa.
Nothing.
Buyela WhatsApp ubhala ukuthi can you be my gym partner? Buyela WhatsApp.
Mama kuthi abanye
Buyela WhatsApp.
mara ayisho next level.
Ngithe gym partner.
Nothing serious.
Uqonda ukuthini ukuthi nothing serious? Oh, labantu awubabona abantu aba serious laba.
No, hi. Nothing.
Abantu ama-comment nje la.
Ngiyabatsiba phela.
Bahlala bakubhala ama-comment no-post into ze-gym.
Yini ujahe check ifoni yakho? So why utatile so?
Hayi.
Mufe phone yakho.
Phela it's not this time to go through it, so.
Ivule. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, type la. Makuvele igama lakho la ungitshele. Makuvele igama lezinye ifeve lezinye izinja la ungitshela ngoba yizo zobe zidla umuntu wakho. All right guys, we're on WhatsApp right now. We're about to tap the trendies. Tap la put I love you fucking heart red ekugcineni. Sisters. Ulimunhle so. Bashimane bethanga.
Bashimane betsang.
Abawusheli.
Bangishela just that ke rata ena so ha ke banke.
Khuluma nami mfowethu, khuluma nami. Wabhongela emswaneni nje.
Hayi.
Khuluma mfowethu. Masabi.
Yakhona igama lami mara la abanye angibazi.
Khuluma nami phela mfethu khona sobazi. Wobani lapho?
Sandile.
Wenzani uSandile uthini uthi uyamthanda?
I love you.
Okay, phuma kuSandile ubani lomunye? Ngiyacela mfethu khuluma nami sisikuyashisa ne?
Akushisi. Right.
Thumelani.
Urata amazulu. Urata amazulu ne?
Uthumelani nobani?
Ama?
Urata amazulu.
No.
Mara kibo Sandile.
Ke ena mzulu so ke rata ena fela.
Uthumelani nobani?
That's deep.
Ubani?
Uthumelani. Now I love you too.
Thumelani. Kaluma. Oh.
Uthuthu.
No.
Ubani?
Re kena le ena ko.
Kerekeng.
Ko campus.
Indaba I love you ingena phi ke ihlangana.
No, it different from wena ko bitsang ka yona. Ke I love you it different.
Umfana.
Okay. It different is wrong. Please explain. Re bantsha go dilong tse.
Okay, it different ka tsela hore ena wa tswa gona I love you ke bulela eng ha ke bua le ena ka yo. So ko ke amrata motho wa ka. So asimthwaka ke
mara ya tshwana engwentse ka o tshwana. Ke I love you one.
So faka nama heart.
Re tletse o bua jwalo nna le ena.
Ne? Okay, re mo bazi. Re motle gore wena le yena go tsalang wa ba? Ana bothata akere ngwana go gae.
Yeah.
Okay, ona bothata o swaka. Ra mfonela akere ona o ratane le mang Thumelane. Akere o shapa akere. Thumelane o busy wa yutla.
Maybe u
Owakuphi yena?
Kuyathameka ayisobe Thumelane.
Ngayo.
Woza baba face number la.
Mina ukazi ungitshele ngayo.
umutsha so we just met.
Sister, we want to know who's this Thumelane guy? Ubani uThumelane? Ngiyamfonela ke manje. And mase simfonela lana, sister, indoda kuzomela ukuthi ukhulume na. Okay, nawo manamba nazo ke. Thumelane. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Hello. Hi. Hello, ngisacela ukukhuluma noThumelane. Hello. Sure, ngokukhuluma noThumelane.
Khuluma nobani?
noThumelane. Sure mfethu. Sure. Sister konje ubani igama lakho? Sure, awuthami.
Yebo.
Sure, uyamazi uphile?
Upuleng.
Upuleng. Sorry, Puleng.
Sure.
Yeah, mfethu, ngithi uyamazi uPuleng.
Yeah, ngiyamazi uPuleng kwami.
Oh, okay. So ngicela ukubuza mina bhuti wami, wena noPuleng mhlambe ingabe niyathandana mhlambe ningabangani?
Yeah, siyathandana.
Senesikhathi sesingana nidate?
6 months.
Ugeleza naye or nazana fair vele?
No, ngifunda naye.
Ufunda naye?
Yeah, ngidaba umuzi.
Okay. No, ukuthi khona i-out yakhe lana and i-worried ngoba wena iyabona ukuthi umdlela umuntu wakhe. So lento yenzayo ayikho right. Nginabo boyithula. Angazi noma ungathanda ukukhuluma nomuntu wakho noma ungathanda umuntu wakhe naye indoda yakho kithi sena 6 months endlane benidlelana eclassini. Khuluma baba.
Sure.
Khuluma sister indaba.
Hi Thuleng.
Njani?
Ha.
Right.
Wafuna nginamba engingazazi manje kwenze njalo.
Sharp ne.
Itsevele ngeke umxolela ngezi.
Mara why yenza lento? Why wenza kanjani?
No.
No.
Ngihlala ngikutshela like ukuthi nginawe akusho ukuthi like I'm out of options. But I choose to be with you. Ngihlala ngikutshela ukuthi makhona umuntu ombona ukuthi ungcono kunami ungitshele
Yeah.
No, why ungangitshelanga ukuthi ke uyakuchaza uyamthanda, why ungangitsheli ukuthi mina ngiyeke uqhubeke naye.
True. Khulume kahle lapha.
Uqhubisisa.
Ebengeke
Understand something.
understand kanjani?
It's your heart, angithi it's your heart, you want him. So just tell me and let me why.
But you are with him 6 months.
Kinalena bathaki mrati.
But you kept him there for 6 months is long.
For 6 months.
Okay, so yazini because angifone drama,
Yeah.
angifone drama like yonke lento sengimoshela ilanga lami.
Sure.
So like njengoba ngihlale ngisho ngithi mawukuthi khona umuntu omthandayo like ngicela ungitshele uqhubeke naye. So since manje sengitholile ngicela uqhubeke naye ngizobona ukuthi mina ngenza kanjani.
No, ungamthinta akakuthintanga. Ungalinge sisho ungamthinta.
Ngibona ukuthi ngenza kanjani mina.
Yeah.
Angithi uyamthanda vele. You want to
Hakimurati,
No, for the fact
no.
ukuthi for the fact ukuthi you are with him, so it means you love him.
I'm with him but haki mrati the way ki rata ngwena.
Angeke sithande so ithini. Like mina like no. Okay, uzofika ulale naye bese ulale.
Yeah. Benza nje for 6 months.
Okay, no, okay, no, so ngicela please ungangifoneli, ngicela ungasangi.
Ungamnqambi.
Ngicela ungangifoneli. No.
Memele.
Ungeze roomini lami please. Because angithi thola umuntu omthandayo kuyeka naye ngicela ungiyeke mina ngizozibona ukuthi ngenza kanjani.
So kiyeseni because ki rati ene ki rata wena.
No, right.
Uqale nini ungamthandi yena? Uthomile nini ngikhusamurati yena?
Kinze ki pusha steady fela ka yena haki mrati.
Ngosikolong awukwazi ukuphusha istate ngoscore esikoleni.
Why qamba manga? Why? Because I always tell you ukuthi if there's something like okay obona ukuthi ungcono like you must go to that person and then leave me alone.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be
yeah,
happy, but life goes on.
No, the way I'm confident ngayo nalwena is
No,
different.
go right sharp ngeke mina.
Awusamfuna ngithi wena my brother. Manje uzokwenza njani? Suzoba single. Hey sister, yazi ngesilokhu sibambana nawe njalo. Uthalusa ingi. Uthini?
Different yena.
Yini e different? Oh, hayi awuthami. Uthi amavolovolo ena different.
Baby, kupa mhlaloseta tu.
Kwenzakalani? Ke inge different.
Into i different.
Okay.
To uzobisisa yo.
Okay, so mawuthi lento i different sister, usho ukuthi lo uthuthu lo othi my love kuwe unevolovolo li different kunevolovolo lampwethu. Uqonde lokho?
No, how different.
Oh.
Way pocket is different. So kuyona fela nthoki nikile ka ulela kimzana ka.
Ngeke. Hayi mi. Hayi sister. Hayi different ngempela lento yakho. Hayi different. I different baposhile la yabona lento engihlale ngisho. Hlale ngitshela. King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Lo mntwana uthi different lento yabo.
Efana.
Ya uyasho uthi isendela lo ali different. Nayi ndoda. Take me home. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.